Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Yes, I'm the first one in YouTube making these amazing chile rellenos stuffed with zucchini and cheese that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious chile relleno stuffed with zucchini and cheese, these are my ingredients: potato, eggs, onion, tomato, poblano chili peppers, chicken bouillon, queso fresco, and of course, zucchini, vegetable oil, and water. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start here by roasting my chile poblanos. Look at this. Once you have all your chile poblanos nice and roasted, just like this, you're going to put them in this little bag. You're going to close the bag and let them sweat and reserve them. And here I want to start with the potato. I'm going to get all my veggies ready to make this amazing soup of chile rellenos. Look at this. I'm going to cut my potatoes just like this. And when I'm completely done cutting all my potatoes, I am going to rinse them really good, removing everything from them and getting them nice and delicious for our amazing soup. Let's go get them nice and rinsed. Let's clean them really good. And now I'm going to add my tomato. I'm cutting the tomato in small little squares. Of course, the same thing was with the half an onion. And then I have my veggies ready for my soup. I am going to continue with the zucchinis. I have the zucchinis here. I'm going to slice away, making sure that I cut them nice and thin, and then in small little squares, so that when I add them to my chile poblanos, they're going to cook al dente. And I'm going to be very generous with the queso fresco. Let me tell you, when you make this mixture and the combination of the poblano pepper, just amazing. My chilies have been resting for about 15-20 minutes, and now I am ready to remove all the skin and of course remove the stem. Being very careful to only remove the stems and the seeds, because we are going to go ahead and stuff them and be very generous with the stuffing. Well, here, let me continue removing all the skin. And when this is ready, let me show you how I'm going to stuff them and get them nice and fat. Well, I have all my chile poblanos here, my veggies ready, and of course, the filling. Now I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour right on the plate. And then I'm going to add a little bit right on top of the chile poblanos. And now I am going to start filling and pressing all the filling inside of the chile poblano. You want to make sure that it's nice and puffy. And of course, like I always say, be generous with your filling. Once you have this done, I'm going to go ahead, transfer it to this plate, and add a little bit of the all-purpose flour right on the top and on the sides. Let me show you how easy it is to prepare these amazing chile poblanos filled, stuffed with the zucchini and cheese. Look at this. You want to make sure that you press everything inside, because once they start cooking, the cheese is going to melt and the zucchini is going to get al dente. Look at this. Well, I'm going to continue making the rest. And now I am ready to prepare my pot with water, the potato, tomato, onion, chicken bouillon. We're going to take it to the stove, put in a medium heat, cover it. And now I am ready to prepare the mixture of the egg. I am going to crack 5 eggs and then remove the yolks. Look at this. This is the best way to do it. Once you have your 5 eggs in here, remove the yolk, and then you're ready to start mixing away until the egg whites are nice and fluffy. When the egg whites are nice and fluffy, you turn around your plate. They don't fall off. That means that you are ready. Look at this. Look how easy it is to prepare the mixture of the egg. I am going to add the yolks and now mix one more time for a couple minutes. Once it's nice and incorporated on the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil. I am ready to start covering my poblano peppers. I'm going to add them in here one by one, and look how easy it is. Make sure that they're covered completely with the mixture of the egg. Of course, I'm going to start adding a little bit of that vegetable oil right on top. I want to make sure that the egg, it's nice and cooked before I flip them over. And you will know when it's time to flip over. The egg turns into a little slight yellow, and then you're ready to flip it over. On the plate, I have some napkins to absorb the excessive oil. But let me tell you, these Chiles Rellenos in this amazing soup, it comes out delicious and is perfect for this cold weather. If you love Chiles Rellenos like I do, you're going to fall in love with these amazing Chiles Rellenos of zucchini and queso fresco. And of course, the topping, I'm going to add some zucchinis right on the top, because you know that the zucchini cooks very fast. By this time, let's go check how the pot is doing, and let's check on the potato. The potato is the one that takes much longer to cook, but when it's al dente, just like this, we're ready to start adding our chile poblanos. And right on the top, I'm going to add the zucchinis. And then I am going to mix a little bit, taste it, and we're going to let it boil for at least 3 minutes. After this done, turn the stove off, cover it, and then you're ready to plate. I hope, my friends, you make it. I hope you enjoy it. And if you got to this part of the video, you like it, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. With this stuffed chile relleno with zucchini and cheese. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. This just looks amazing. Excuse me. The zucchini is still al dente, and the flavor, oh my God, the combination of the poblano chili pepper, delicious. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing stuffed chile relleno, you're really going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. All the veggies al dente, excuse me. So delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing stuffed chile relleno with zucchini and cheese. See you soon. Bye-bye.